Welcome to the Auto Apex channel, where we bring you the latest and greatest in automotive news and reviews. Today, we have a very exciting topic to dive into: the 2025 Chrysler lineup. Chrysler has been a staple of American automotive innovation for decades, and with their 2025 models, they are continuing to push the boundaries of design, technology, and performance. Whether you're a Chrysler enthusiast or someone simply looking for their next ride, we have everything you need to know about what the brand is bringing to the table this year. Chrysler, known for its luxury and craftsmanship, has always had a way of blending performance with sophistication. As we look at the 2025 models, one thing is clear: Chrysler is looking to redefine its presence in the automotive world. The 2025 Chrysler lineup includes some bold moves, such as more hybrid and electric options, updated designs, and a focus on technology that promises to keep the brand at the forefront of modern driving. In this video, we'll walk you through the standout vehicles in the 2025 Chrysler lineup, the technologies that make them unique, and what you can expect from the brand in the coming years. The 2025 Chrysler Pacifica is likely to be one of the most discussed vehicles in Chrysler's lineup this year. The Pacifica has been a longtime favorite in the minivan category, offering versatility, comfort, and family-friendly features. For 2025, Chrysler is doubling down on its reputation as the best family vehicle with the Pacifica, offering new features, enhanced safety, and even more tech upgrades. One of the most notable updates is the hybrid powertrain. The 2025 Pacifica continues to offer the hybrid option, giving families a more fuel-efficient option for their day-to-day driving. The hybrid model combines a 3.6-liter V6 engine with an electric motor, producing 260 horsepower and achieving an impressive all-electric driving range. This makes it an excellent choice for families who want to reduce their carbon footprint without sacrificing space or performance. The interior of the 2025 Pacifica is just as impressive. Chrysler has focused on maximizing comfort and convenience for both drivers and passengers. With seating for up to 8 passengers, the Pacifica offers a spacious cabin with premium materials and an updated infotainment system. The Uconnect 5 system, which debuts in the Pacifica, brings a new level of interactivity, with a larger touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and an available rear seat entertainment system. On the safety front, Chrysler continues to equip the Pacifica with the latest safety technology. Standard features include adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and lane keeping assist. Chrysler is also offering a new feature called Chrysler Safety Shield 360, which includes a set of safety features designed to protect you and your family on every drive. Next up is the 2025 Chrysler 300, which is one of the most iconic models in the Chrysler lineup. The Chrysler 300 has been around for more than a decade, and while it has always been known for its bold, distinctive styling and powerful engine options, the 2025 version is making waves for its technology upgrades and performance tweaks. The 2025 Chrysler 300 continues to be available with a range of powerful engines, including the 3.6-liter V6 and the more potent 5.7-liter V8, making it one of the most powerful sedans in its class. With the V8 engine, the Chrysler 300 delivers an exhilarating 363 horsepower, making it a performance-oriented choice for those who want the power to back up the bold design. But the 2025 300 isn't just about power, it's also about luxury and technology. Inside, the Chrysler 300 features a completely redesigned cabin with high-quality materials, a new Uconnect 5 system, and a larger 10.1-inch touchscreen. For those who appreciate luxury features, Chrysler offers options such as premium leather seating, a panoramic sunroof, and a high-end sound system, all contributing to an exceptional driving experience. As for safety, the 2025 Chrysler 300 comes equipped with a comprehensive set of standard and available safety features, including forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, and a rear-view camera with parking sensors. Chrysler is also offering new driver assistance technologies, such as a 360-degree camera system and a semi-autonomous driving mode, which is a preview of what we can expect in the future of Chrysler vehicles. Looking toward the future, Chrysler is making a strong push into electric vehicles with their 2025 models. One of the most exciting developments in the 2025 Chrysler lineup is the introduction of the all-electric Chrysler Airflow concept vehicle. This electric SUV is set to be a game-changer for Chrysler, representing their vision for an all-electric future. While the Airflow is still in the concept stage, it's clear that Chrysler is serious about joining the electric vehicle revolution. The Chrysler Airflow concept is designed with performance and efficiency in mind. It's equipped with a dual-motor all-wheel drive system, promising smooth acceleration and exceptional handling. Chrysler is targeting a range of over 300 miles on a single charge, making it a solid contender in the growing electric SUV market. The Airflow also comes with advanced technology features, including autonomous driving capabilities, an intuitive user interface, and a focus on connectivity. Chrysler is positioning the Airflow as a family-friendly electric vehicle, and they're incorporating a spacious and comfortable cabin with a futuristic design. The interior features a large, curved touchscreen that stretches across the dashboard, providing an immersive experience for the driver and passengers. The cabin also includes high-quality materials, customizable seating configurations, and plenty of space for luggage or other cargo, making it an ideal vehicle for long road trips or daily commutes. Of course, Chrysler's move into electric vehicles is about more than just the Airflow. The company has committed to transitioning to an all-electric future, and the 2025 models are just the beginning of this transformation. Chrysler plans to offer a range of electric options across its lineup in the coming years, and we can expect even more electric models to debut in the near future. This is part of the brand's broader strategy to reduce its carbon footprint and contribute to a more sustainable future. Another important development for 2025 is Chrysler's integration of new technologies that enhance both the driving experience and vehicle safety. The Uconnect 5 system, which debuted in earlier Chrysler models, continues to evolve, offering even more advanced features such as over-the-air updates, voice recognition, and improved navigation. With the addition of a more user-friendly interface, Uconnect 5 makes it easier than ever for drivers to stay connected and control their vehicle's features on the go. In addition to infotainment advancements, Chrysler is also doubling down on safety and driver assistance. The 2025 models will come with an expanded suite of active safety features, including lane centering assist, adaptive cruise control with stop-and-go functionality, and pedestrian detection systems. Chrysler is also implementing more advanced driver assist systems like hands-free driving, offering drivers a taste of what's to come in the future of autonomous vehicles. So, what does all of this mean for Chrysler's future? The 2025 lineup represents a bold new chapter for the company. Chrysler is embracing new technologies, greener options, and innovative designs that will help it stand out in a crowded automotive marketplace. With the introduction of electric vehicles like the Chrysler Airflow and updates to popular models like the Pacifica and 300, Chrysler is clearly looking to meet the evolving needs of consumers while staying true to its legacy of luxury, performance, and innovation. Chrysler's future is all about sustainability, performance, and cutting-edge technology. Whether you're looking for a fuel-efficient minivan for your family, a powerful sedan for your daily commute, or an electric vehicle that represents the future of driving, Chrysler has something for you in 2025. Keep an eye on Auto Apex for the latest updates and reviews, as we continue to follow Chrysler's journey into the future. Thank you for watching, and be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for notifications on our latest content. We'd love to hear your thoughts on the 2025 Chrysler lineup and what excites you most about the upcoming models. Let us know in the comments below. Until next time, drive safe and keep exploring the world of automobiles with Auto Apex.